tutorial guys, another song. This song is from Kid LAROI and title of the song is 1,000 Miles. These are simple chords version of how to play this song. We have two parts. For the chords and then we'll follow string pattern. So let's start. These are the chords. First part. For the intro and verses. These are the chords. Please follow me. I'll show it first. Simple version. Intro and verses. E minor, simple E minor, then second chord is D sus 2, so form of D, but we'll remove this one finger, the middle, so D sus 2, okay, then a simple C for the intro and verses. Okay, so let's play. And then for string pattern is down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, okay, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, intro. Let's play the intro. Down, simple verse. Okay. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, and then insert the verse. I know that your faith. Down, down, up, down. Repeat these chords for the verses, guys. E minor, D sus 2. Okay, and C. Repeat these three chords for verses. And then after the verse, chorus. Let's proceed for the chorus. Let's play the ending of verse and then chorus. Chorus. Tonight, na, na, na. So for the chorus, we have two lines. First line is A minor, D, then G, and for you, then D over F sharp, a form of D sus, but we'll put our one finger here, D over F sharp, G, then like this, then E minor. That is the first line. Let's play again. Chorus. Tonight, I'll never change. Okay, then G, then D over F sharp, then E minor. Hold E minor, then second line, A minor again, na na na, then D again, then this time G, then E minor, then D, okay, then C, then the last chord is C minor, okay, form of B minor but at the third fret, okay. That is for the second line. Again, let us play first line. Chorus. Night, na 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 na. Okay. Hold E minor, okay. Then second line, na 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 na, down, then D, then C, then C minor, okay. So that's all for the chorus, first and second line, and then repeat the verse. Okay. That's all, guys. Those are the chords for the verses and chorus or choruses. These are simple version of how to play this song from Kid LAROI, 1,000 Miles. That's all for this tutorial. Repeat those chords, guys. Till next time, see you on my next uploads. Bye.